Hey guys, today I wanted to come on and show you my brand new website. If you guys haven't checked out jmsimons.com recently, you might notice that some things have changed. It is completely different. We went ahead and changed the whole look of the website. I wanted to make it a lot more user-friendly and really put the important stuff up front for you. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at it so you guys have a little bit easier time navigating the site. So I wanted to go ahead and break this down for you page by page, starting off with the homepage. When you get to the website, you're gonna see a lot going on. In the beginning, there's just a welcome thing from me to you guys, letting you know this is the place you want to be if you're trying to learn about wigs. Another really important thing that I wanted to make sure this website had was the wig spray up front, where you guys could see it, easy for you guys to find and locate because your wigs need it, and I wanted to make sure you could grab it when you needed it too. A big piece of this website, really, I wanted it to be about education and helping you guys navigate your wigs, wearing them, personalizing them, customizing them, just to make it easier for you because I know it's very overwhelming. So when you're looking at this, you can see right on the homepage, there's already information for you. I have the blogs here. These are blogs from our previous website and we will be adding more. And then you go down and you're gonna see a really cool feature that I wanted to kind of go in depth with you guys a little bit later in the video. All right, so let's go ahead and break these pages down. The first one I wanted to talk about, which I think is super important, is the shop page. This is where you're gonna find my everyday wig spray in scented and scent-free, as well as wig brushes. Now, when it comes to the wig spray, you guys probably have heard me talk about it, but wig spray is so important for your wigs, and my wig spray is meant to do it all. It's great for detangling your wigs, repairing your wigs, freshening up your wigs throughout the day when you have flyaways or frizz. So it's really something that is an all-in-one product that I feel like everybody who wears wigs needs, and I wanted to make sure it was right here on the shop for you guys to grab. All right, so this next page is something I am so excited to bring you guys. I wanted to offer you guys one-on-one wig consultations. So what exactly does that mean? That means that you can book me for either a half an hour or an hour, and we can either pick your dream hair. I can help you guys shop for that wig that you need and want and are looking for, or we can troubleshoot your wig, we can fix a wig, we can work on a wig. We can pretty much do anything that's wig related. So you guys can book me either, like I said, for 30 minutes or for an hour, and this is gonna be something that you can do right on the website. Another really awesome thing about this is that because I'm not affiliated with a single wig company, we can really look and explore all the wigs out there. There are tons of wig brands I've worked with, I've tried, I've used, I like, I don't like, and because of that, I can really help you guys find and pick the perfect hair. All right, now this brings us to the Learn page, and this is gonna have a lot of the YouTube videos that I think are really important. If you are starting out on your wig journey, or even if you're a seasoned wig wearer, these are things that I feel like come up a lot, are issues that we have a lot, or questions that I get asked a lot. So I wanna make sure that these videos stay relevant for you. Make sure you're coming back and checking it out often because they will change, they will be updated, and I will make sure that I switch them out to give you guys the best information that you need. This brings us to another new page, a new feature here on the website. I wanted to go ahead and do a Wigs in the Wild page. If you guys have checked out my Instagram, you've probably seen these really awesome photo shoots that Stanley and I do of my wigs out in the wild. And I really love these pictures. I wanted to showcase these in a new way that gives you guys more information on the wigs themselves. So if you check out this page, make sure you're checking it out regularly because it will change. But you can see that there are wigs here with the information on where they came from, what color they are, the style, any information I have on the wig. I wanted to make sure I had this here for you guys so you can go find the wig if it's something you're interested in. Now, if you are into reading when you like to learn things, we went ahead and put all of the blogs from the old website on to the new website, and we're gonna have some really cool ones coming soon. If you are a wig wearer, a wig enthusiast, a wig educator, I would love to hear from you. If you have a story to share and would love to be a featured guest on my blog page, reach out to me at collabs@jmsimons.com. Now, last but not least is the contact page, and this is a really important tool for you. If you guys have any questions, you're having an issue with the wig, you can't figure something out, you can always reach out to me here. This is gonna go directly to wigsupport@jmsimons.com, and we will reach back out to you, and I will try to help you guys with any of those wig questions you have. All right, guys, so that's it. That is the website in a nutshell. I hope you guys like it. Let me know what you guys think. I'm super excited about some of these new features. Wigs in the Wild is something I cannot wait for you guys to let me know what you think about, as well as the wig consultations. This is something that I have been wanting to do, and I'm glad that I can bring it to you. I wanted you guys to be able to meet face to face with me and let me help you either find your perfect hair or help you fix that wig that you love but you can't get right. So make sure you guys let me know what you think of the website, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one.